A woman goes to buy a parrot. The prices are $100, $200, and $15. She asks, why is the last one so cheap? The shopkeeper replies, because he used to live in a brothel. The woman thinks this is funny and pays $15. When she gets home, the parrot exclaims, wow, a new brothel? The woman laughs at this. Later, when her daughters come home, the parrot says, wow, two new prizes? The girls find this hilarious. Finally, when the dad gets home, the parrot shouts, wow, Pete, I haven't seen you for weeks.